At Destination Pet, we're on a mission to elevate the love and lives of pet families by bringing all of our customers' pet needs together under one roof. From veterinary services to grooming, boarding, and training, as our business continued to grow, our legacy solution just couldn't keep up. We needed a solution that supported our 160 plus locations nationwide. Our staff was struggling to handle incoming calls while also providing in-person service. Overflow calls were routed to an offshore call center that wasn't meeting our service standards and was providing an inconsistent experience for our customers. We chose RingCentral because their AI solutions and app gallery directly addressed our core issues. Thanks to RingCentral's ConnectedCare integration, RingEX and RingCX integrate with our patient portal, giving our on-site teams a clear view of who is calling, whether they're a new or existing patient. This allows us to tailor our services to each individual's specific needs. With RingSense, we'll be able to monitor and ensure the quality of calls across all of our locations, which is key to achieving our goal of a 5-star Google rating. We are super excited about AI Receptionist. It will allow us to transform from the offshore call center, resulting in significant cost savings, and by answering calls and routine questions 24/7. We'll capture more leads and provide better around-the-clock support. The best part is that we will never have to miss a call again. No missed calls, no missed opportunities. We're confident that RingCentral will have a major impact on our business. We anticipate significant increases in our conversion rate and revenue, all while freeing up time for our on-site teams. RingCentral lets us get back to focusing on what matters most, providing exceptional care and service to every pet and pet family.